Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua from Holy Quran, Surah Al-Imran, ayat number 38. This dua is very important if you like to have a child. MashaAllah, you have to read this dua, request Allah with this dua after every salah at least 7 times. Inshallah, Allah will bless you a beautiful child. So, this dua was requested by Zakariya alayhi salam. Prophet Zakariya alayhi salam, when he has seen the fruits out of season, so with the Maryam alayhi salam, then he asked her that who sends you these fruit? She said, these fruit comes to me from Allah. Then Zakariya alayhi salam, he said in his heart, if Allah sends the fruit to Maryam alayhi salam which are out of season, then Allah will bless me child. Even I am very old and there is no expectation of child now. But if Allah is sending the fruits which are out of season to Maryam alayhi salam, so out of season, if I am old, so possible Allah will bless me child. So then he requested Allah with this dua, and this dua was accepted by Allah, and he got his son Yahya alayhi salam. So we have to read this dua at least 7 times after every salah. Start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Inshallah, Allah will bless a child. So we have to read this dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi habli min ladunka zurriyatan tayyiba innaka sami'ud du'a. Rabbi habli min ladunka zurriyatan tayyiba innaka sami'ud du'a. Rabbi habli min ladunka zurriyatan tayyiba innaka sami'ud du'a. Rabbi, O my Lord, habli, grant me, min ladunka, from yourself, Zuriyatan, a child, Tayyiba, nice, pure, good. Rabbi habli min ladunka zuriyatan tayyiba. O my Lord, grant for me from yourself a nice child. Innaka, indeed you, Sami'ud dua, Sami, all hearing, Dua, the prayer. Innaka sami'ud dua. Indeed, you are all hearing of the prayer. Rabbi habli min ladunka zurriyatan tayyiba. Innaka sami'ud dua. O my Lord, O my Allah, grant for me from yourself a nice child. Indeed, you are all hearing of the prayer. So, inshallah, if we request Allah with this dua, we will get Allah's special mercies in the form of child. Inshallah.